Our goal originally was to extend our living space, our porch, to bring in different color and texture and layer just to make the backyard cozier and more enjoyable to be in. Originally, we did the landscaping ourselves, and it just didn't ultimately have the effect that we were looking for, so we called Brownswood to come out and give us a quote and help create a design that we liked. I told them our vision for the backyard, and they were able to come up with their design team, and the different people have knowledge as to the plants that they use. They were able to help us create the vision that we wanted because they have the experience and knowledge as to the plants and design. We loved working with the people at Brownswood. They were extremely professional, they were on time. They were considerate of our space. They always cleaned up behind themselves. Top-notch professionals. They were very dedicated to doing the work that they did. I could tell that everybody on the team seemed to get along. So as a homeowner, I like to see that the same people were coming to the site. I knew their names, and I felt really comfortable having them be with us for about 2.5 weeks. We love the new space that Brownswood created for us. It is absolutely everything that we wanted. It has color, it has texture, it reflects our kind of boho style and tropical. The plants seem to be thriving, and it's extended our living space to a place that we can spend time and really enjoy.